Good morning. Welcome to Week 8, Episode 1, English with Teacher Alex. In this lesson, you will need your orange grammar book, a red pen, and a pencil. First, I would like you to make sure you have finished page 26. Have you finished page 26? Just quickly finish it now.
Okay, good morning. In today's lesson, we're going to spend 5 minutes looking at the answers on page 26 in your grammar book. Quickly, I am going to ask you a question. You ready? The question is, what is a past tense verb? What is a past tense verb? Press pause if you need more time. Okay, a past tense verb is an action that has already happened. An action that has already happened. If you still don't understand, you will need to go back and watch the videos. Now, a past tense verb is a word that shows action that has already happened. Something that happened yesterday, last week, or last month. Now, let's look at the board. Let's look at the board. There are some verbs on the board. This is from page 26. Page 26. Now, you need a red pen to tick your answers, or if you get them wrong, a cross. Then write the correct answer next to it. Let's look at these words. These words are present tense verbs. Okay, how do we make a present tense verb past tense? Past tense. What do? We add ed. We add ed. So bike is present tense. Past tense. Past tense. Very good. Because look, it has ed. Did you get that right? If you did, please tick. Please tick. Okay, so Teacher Alex is going to go a tiny bit faster.
Joke. How do we make joke past tense? We press pause if you need more time. We add ed and it turns to joked. Because we add ed. Hope. How do we make this word past tense? Press pause if you need more time. We add ed. Now, look at these words. Pile things on top of each other. How do we make this past tense? Same again, okay? We add ed. Okay, I want you to do number 5 and number 6. If you need more time, press pause. Easy peasy, right? All you do is add ed. Rake turns to raked. Care turns to cared. Remember, past tense, add ed. Okay, well done.
Okay, now let's look at questions 7, 8, 9 and 10. You should have already finished this. Okay, I am going to tell you the answers. You listen and tick. Paul
saved 10 dimes. Paul saved 10 dimes. Number 8. He used them to buy ice cream. Tick, tick. He used them to buy ice cream. Number 9. Paul shared the ice cream with his sister. Number 10. She loved the treat. Now, make sure you have ticked the correct answers.
This is very easy because all of these verbs are past tense, and remember, past tense verbs end in, do you know? They end in ed. They end in ed. So all of these words, saved, used, shared, loved, they have ed plus ed. Add ed to the end of the word. Okay, well done. Now, okay, please turn to page 27. Page 27. Let's read the box together. Let's read the box together on action 1, 2, 3. Action verbs and linking verbs. An action verb shows action. Examples: I watch a bird. A linking verb does not show action. Forms of the verb: be, am, is, are, was, and were are linking verbs. Example: the bird is a dipper. Okay, stop. In this lesson, we are looking at linking verbs. So, with a highlighter, can you please highlight? Linking verb does not show action. Linking verb does not show action. Then highlight: be, am, is, are, was, and were are linking verbs. One more time. Be, am, is, are, was, and were are linking verbs. Let me show you. Now, all I want you to do is listen to Teacher Alex. I am going to help you understand linking verbs. Right, so let's just forget about action verbs. Forget about present and past tense. Just forget and focus on linking verbs. Okay, so linking verbs are verbs with no action. Words like am, is, are, was, and were. Okay, am. Can you am? I can am. No, it makes no sense. We don't understand. We do not say I can am, because am is a form of be, just like is, are, was, and were. So am is not an action. Is not an action. You cannot say I can is. It makes no sense. Do not understand. Now, I can are, I can was, I can were. No, it doesn't make any sense because they are no action. They do not show action. Does that make sense? Okay, now Let's say this 3 times with Teacher Alex. Listen, listen. Linking verbs show no action. Linking verbs show no action. Can you say this 3 times? Ready? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Linking verbs show no action. Linking verbs show no action. Linking verbs show no action. Now please remember, linking verbs show no action. Okay, quick question. Tell me, what is a linking verb? Tell me. Good. Am is a linking verb. Is a linking verb. Are is a linking verb. Was is a linking verb. And were is a linking verb. Good. Now just remember that these words are linking verbs. So hopefully you understand a little bit about linking verbs. Don't worry if it's still confusing, because this week and some of next week we will be looking at linking verbs together. First, I want to play a quick game to see if you understand linking verbs. I am going to show you some words, and I want you to tell Teacher Alex by shouting out the answer. I will show you a word, and you tell me if the word is an action verb or a linking verb. Action verb or a linking verb. So remember, an action verb shows action, something you can do. But linking verb, no action. Okay? Number one. Am. Is am an action verb or a linking verb? Action verb or a linking verb? Press pause if you need more time to think. Okay, easy, right? Am is a linking verb because am shows no action. You can't am. And am is form of be, just like on the whiteboard. Am, is, are, was and were show no action because they are linking verbs. Good. You ready for the next one? Run. Now tell me the answer. Action verb or linking verb? Action verb or linking verb? Tell me the answer. Good. Okay, if you need more time, press pause. Can you run? Yes you can, because run is an action verb. It's something you can do. Good. Word number 3. Was. Is was an action verb or a linking verb? an action verb or a linking verb? Tell me the answer. If you need more time, press pause. Okay, was is a linking verb because was is no action. Can you was? No, you cannot was. Was is a form of be. So was is a linking verb.
Okay, well done guys. Now, let's look at page 27 in your grammar book. Teacher Alex wants you to read The Little Dipper now. I want you to finish The Little Dipper. Questions 1 to 11. Questions 1 to 6. There is a word. Am, drink, were, chop, was, and talk. Just like in the game we played. Is the words an action verb or a linking verb? Action verb or a linking verb? You need to read the words, then circle the answer. Circle the answer. Then, 7 to 11, you need to read the sentence, then choose if the word is an action verb or a linking verb. Put A or L. And if you forget, you can always look at the box at the top of the page and look at the words that we highlighted together. Or press pause now and look at the board. Okay, please complete page 27 now. Well done guys, and see you tomorrow.